So this phylum Annelida is divided into 5 classes, and they are Polychaete, Oligochaete, Hyoidina, Archaeannelida and Achiurida. Alright, Polychaete, Oligochaete, Hyoidina, Archaeannelida and Achiurida. So this Nereis is the member of the class Polychaete, where you will found that well-developed parapodia-like structures are there. Okay, well-developed parapodia and setae are there. Whereas in Coli species also, so these species belong to Polychaete, where well-developed parapodia structure for locomotion is present. Whereas in Oligochaete, example is Pheretima posthuma, earthworm. Alright, here you will found only few setae are there on their body for the locomotion. Then this leech belong to the class Hyoidina. Okay, Hyoidina, here you will found they are mostly ectoparasite, and these structures means parapodium or setae are absent in this class. And the next class is the Archaeannelida, where external segmentation is seen and internal segmentation is seen only in few species. And in this also these locomotory organs like parapodium or setae are absent. Then the next one is the Achiurida. Here you will found that the segmentation is absent. External and internal segmentation is absent in the class Achiurida. Now let's see here. So this earthworm is a member of the Oligochaete, and here you will found clitellum-like structure is present. Okay, so this is the characteristic feature of this class Oligochaete. Now you know about clitellum. Clitellum is the helpful in storing the eggs. Okay, so it helps in sexual reproduction and also helps in the cocoon formation. Now let's learn about the classes. Phylum Annelida is divided into 5 classes on the basis of setae, parapodia, metameres and other morphological features. So first one is the Polychaete. Poly means many, chaete means here. So as you have seen in the Nereis, that is sandworm, that many parapodium structures are present which help in locomotion. So these animals are mostly marine, some are terrestrial and freshwater. Setae are long, numerous and occurs in parapodium. Okay, many setae are there. Then development includes a larva stage called trophophore larva. So here the development is through the larva stage. Alright, learn the name of the larva, that is the trophophore larva. Now next class is Oligochaete. Oligo means few and chaete means hair. So here in this class you will find few hair-like structures are there. So example is earthworm, Pheretima posthuma. Okay, so here you will see body is metamerically segmented, clitellum is present, hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite, you know about it, that both the sex organs are present in the same body, but still cross fertilization takes place. Okay, they are hermaphrodite means they are monoecious. On the same body both the organs are there, but still the cross fertilization occurs. Fertilization is external, cocoon formation occurs. So this is the class Oligochaete. The next class is Hyoidina. Hyoido means leech. So most important member is Hyoidinaria, that is the leech, and the habitat is primarily freshwater, but some are marine, terrestrial and parasitic. Body has a definite number of segments. Okay, so metameric segments are there. Then tentacles, parapodia and setae are totally absent in this class Hyoidina. They are also hermaphrodite. Then fertilization is internal and the larva stage is absent. As we have seen in the Polychaete that larva stage is there, that is trophophore larva is there, but in this class Hyoidina this stage is absent. Next class is Archaeannelida. Arch means first. So these are the first organism of this phylum Annelida. Habitat is they are strictly marine. The body is long and worm-like. Setae and parapodium locomotory organs are absent. They may be unisexual hermaphrodite, means they can be hermaphrodite. The development is indirect, forming trophophore larva. So here also trophophore larva stage is there. Alright. Example are Protodilus and Dinophilus. Now last class is the Achiurida. Here external and internal segmentation is absent. So these organisms are without external and internal segmentation. Examples are Bonellia and Achiurus. Alright, so these are the 5 classes of the phylum Annelida. Thank you for watching this.